Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in this video, we are going to solve some tricky puzzle question which was asked in Infosys examination. So friends, first you try to solve it by yourself. If you are not able to solve, then only you watch the solution. So let us start with the question number one. Now, question number one, we have 23, 18, 34, 35, 25, 25. 26 watt and 63. So basically this number we have to definitely get here. Now how to start? So many will say that follow from top to bottom or from left to right approach, but what to do? See, when you see a number, okay, so somewhere you are seeing it is increasing order, somewhere it is decreasing order, right? So it is creating a lot of confusion. So definitely this is not a very normal straightforward question. Now, so here what you have to do, so the first and the last, so 2 into 3 and plus 3 into 4. So 2 into 3 will be 6 and 3 into 4 will be 12. So it will be nothing but 18. Okay. So it will be nothing but 18. And that's how it's written 18 here. Then 35. So 3 into 5 plus here you can see 25. So 2 into 5. So 3 into 5 is 15 and 5 into 2 is 10. So 15 plus 10 will be 25. So here 25 is written. Now the last one, so 26, so 2 into 6 and plus here you can see 6 into 3. So 2 into 6 is 12 and 12 plus 18 will be nothing but 30. So this is definitely a tricky puzzle question which was asked in Infosys examination. And see, these are the questions which students were not able to solve. And that is the reason I said Infosys has rejected 60% of the student only because of this puzzle. Let us see the next question. So 8, 2, 640, 10, 12, 1408, 54, 20, and then what? Now, friends, this question is definitely sure that this 2 is giving this. This 2 is giving this because you are getting a bigger number. Now, so what you have to do here is, so 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 will be what? 10. And 10 into 64 will be what? 640. Then 10 plus 12. See, getting this logic is very, very tough and you can only get through the practice. So this is 22 into 64. So 22 into 64, you can see 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, and same thing here. So 8, 8 to 10 and 1408, right? Okay. Now the same thing here. So 54 plus 20 into 64. So 74 into 64. Now you have to multiply here. 4 4 is 16 and 28 plus 1 will be 29. 6 4 is 24 and 42 plus 2 will be 44. So 6 9 4 13 and 6 1 7 4 4 7 3 6. So option 4 will become the correct answer here. So then this kind of tricky puzzles will definitely come in Infosys. So without enough practice, you will not be able to attempt. See, 4 questions and 10 minutes will be given. Okay. And in that 4 questions, some question will be for 2 marks and some question will be for 3 marks. So without proper practice, you cannot solve. Okay. So I will still solve 2-3 more question here and then you can see if you are able to solve or not. But I will tell you, friends, so master class on puzzles for Infosys exam, okay, where we will be able to practice more than 200 puzzle questions. Okay, and class is starting from, actually it was 15th, but now because of the high demand, we have shifted to 17th of January 2022. That means from tomorrow it is starting, and the price is also very nominal, 99 rupees. Because of 99 rupees, you should not get eliminated or rejected in Infosys examination. Okay, and you'll be getting recorded lectures so that you can practice the puzzle question. So we will be able to cover almost 200 questions in 2 to 3 days of the session. Now, next question is question number 3. So again, first try to solve try to solve it by yourself. So take 1 minute of time or maybe 2 minutes of the time. Now 1 3 28. So many of you will think, so 1 plus 3 will be 4 and then multiplied by 7. Same logic should also get applied here. 3 into 7 will be 21. No. Okay. So this logic is not happening. Then what is happening? First number square, 1 square plus second number cube. So 1 plus 27 will be equal to 28. Then 2 square and plus 1 cube. So 2 square will be 4 and 1 will be 5. 4 plus 1 will be 5. Definitely my marker is not working properly today. I need to look at this. Okay, then 4 square plus 2 cube. That means first number square, second number cube. First number square, second number cube. First number square and second number cube. So 16 plus 2 cube will be 8. That means 24. So here option B, this you have to take it. Okay. Now, see, getting this logic in exam is very, very tough if you have not done enough practice. That is what I wanted to say. See, many of the students will be thinking that they will be easily able to do. No, but this will not gonna happen if proper practice is not there. Again, so spend 2 minutes of the time here, try to find out the logic, and you can see it's very difficult to predict the logic here. Now, so what we are doing here is we are adding the first number and the second number. So 21 plus 14. 21 plus 14 will be 415, 213, 35. And then we are reversing and writing, which is nothing but 53 here. Then 33 plus 43. So 33 plus 43 will be what? 67. And then, sorry, it will be 76, right? So 336, 437. Now we are reversing and writing, it is 67. Then 28 plus 13. So 28 plus 13 will be what? 8, 3, 11, and 3 plus 1 will be 4. So we need to reverse and write, so which is nothing but 14. Now, so obviously this kind of questions you might have observed that these are not straightforward, okay? And this needs proper practice. So the link will be given in the description for the masterclass on puzzles for Infosys examination. If you are really serious, see, if you are serious of clearing Infosys exam, then only you join. Otherwise, please do not join. So if you really think to do enough practice and attend the classes from tomorrow, because from 15th we have shifted to 17th, okay, on the request. So if you are really serious about cracking the Infosys exam, then please do join and learn the technique to solve this problem. So we will have enough practice. Almost 200 questions will be done in the sessions. Thank you. And if you like the video, definitely please comment, and we will be doing more and more videos on this.